Hi, and welcome to part 3, even though I do say that over on the when this thing decides to really go. Welcome to God's belated 4th of July fireworks, courtesy of God, right? And this was just taken not long ago, so this is part 3. I hope that, if you get into things like this, that you will like it. So I'm going to shut up and let you watch, okay?
Alright, after a wee bit of technical difficulties, we have part 3 of this pretty rock'em sock'em storm over here. I hope you folks that appreciate this type of stuff, will appreciate this type of stuff.
Oops. Uh-oh.
Hey, hi again, and
sorry about that.
welcome to part 4 of this really cool
Oh, no,
storm
wait a
that's
minute.
happened over at my
Wait,
work
hang on.
area, right? We got part
Yeah,
3
technical
of
difficulties.
this pretty rock'em sock'em storm over here.
Don't give me a camera, anybody, okay? Technology does not like me at all.
We'll appreciate this type of stuff.
Oh boy, jeez, I've never had that much problem trying to do something. Now it's like, forget it, right? Oh well.
I think it's pretty cool. I don't know about anybody else.
Yeah, it's not cool for me messing things up. It's cool for me trying to, when they work. Oh well. Anyway, for Annie and whoever else watches my channel, hi.
Now, supposedly there's tech to like absorb lightning and actually make it into something. So, unfortunately, I don't know who has it. I know I don't. That'd be cool. Like catch like a bolt of lightning and just feed that into whatever grid there is and live off of it for 20, 30, whatever it is years. Right? That'd be awesome.
Yeah, and there is tech for it, but like I said, I'm not too sure exactly who has it. I've heard some rumors.
It's already cool around here. Believe me, it's been brutally hot for like the last, I don't know how many days, but like the dog days of summer came early. And if you're around here or wherever you are that you're suffering with it,
You almost get like this purple effect from the lightning.
Kind of call it a night after that. I don't know, unless this really gets more intense. Then I may make more videos. Yeah, you can see how dark it is up by my work spot. Like basically almost next to nothing for street lamps at all. It's really not so dangerous being here. Well, luckily there's not that many cars that come up and down this way, so yeah, it's relatively safe. I don't know if I'd want to be on foot that much in the dark. I mean, I usually am anyway.
Yeah, if I have to go out and travel and I don't feel like driving.
Yeah, I'm smart enough to like not try to go in the road. The only time that's like there's a difference to that is if it's like really snowing and the only place to go is the road.
Yeah, that's if the town decides to come by and plow it.
All right, anyway, part 4 to come.